everybody, welcome back. Now we're going to do a video today. We're going to get that motor taken out of the boys' car. We got the car in the shop last night and let the snow all melt off it and get it warmed up a little bit so it ain't so cold. So we can get the motor pulled out this morning and get everything out of the way that needs. We're taking the heater out, all the excess wiring for the computer that's up in the passenger fender, and the heater delete box or the heater delete plate we got for it. So I'm going to take the heater box out. We also got to get the flex plate bolted on to the new motor, and make sure I got all the bolts for the bolt the trans to the motor and switch motor mounts over and brackets and all the fun stuff. But anyway, that's what we're going to be doing today. I figured I'd do a quick video and bring you guys along for the ride. So that's what we're doing. We're getting ready to head that way, so we'll get back with you when we get over to the shop. All right, guys. Hey, everybody, we made her back over here to the shop. We got Mr. Big Al. Let's go over and say hi to him. See what he's up into today. See his project. Front wheel drive trans. Say what's up, Al?
What's up?
He tore that out. Front wheel drive. What is this?
Impala.
Chevy Impala. What year?
2011.
2011. The man's good. He rips them out. But guys, we got the Monte in like I told you last night. We didn't show ripping it out, but the engine is out. We got her on the floor here. 350 out of an IROC. Supposedly, but yeah, I'm just working on getting the heater out. I got all the bolts taken off and I just broke the rest of it because it was already cracked over here in this corner. So I just want to get this area done and the heater core out. That way when I set the new engine down in here, the boy can go inside and take all the venting off and all that, and then he can push it through. So yeah, but we're getting ready to power wash. I'm going to power wash the frame up, spray paint the frame for him. We're getting rid of all this excess wiring harness that goes to this computer up here in the fender. But yeah, we're back on the project. So she's looking pretty good. We're actually going to find 2 doors and a trunk lid. He wants to find a Monte SS trunk lid. But yeah, we pulled it in last night, let all the snow melt off, and I got here early and just got the motor out of it. But now I got to dig his out of the corner here, get the flex plate bolted up. The intake still ain't bolted. We are going to go with a dual plane air gap intake, or the old intake that was on this combination that Josh over at Snydertron 3000's got, that I sold him. We're going to end up getting it back probably and putting on this engine. But yeah, that's what we're doing, guys. Now we're going to paint up the core support. The car is actually in real good shape. Usually these year Montes, the core supports are rotted out. But when we had it up in the air this morning and cut the old exhaust off, it had the single exhaust Y pipe coming off the motor into a dual outlet muffler back behind the rear end with dual tailpipes, and it would look like water pipe. It was probably 1.5 inch, 1.75 inch exhaust pipe. So that's gone. We're going to run the headers that came off the El Camino, the old set, and the 3-inch X pipe with, I forget what kind of mufflers they are, but they're 3-inch mufflers also. But yep. Just wanted to give you a quick update. Once we get the motor pulled over here and start working on that, we'll set you guys up on the tripod and put you on time lapse. All right, guys. And I went and picked up new bolts for the bell housing. I had to get another star washer for my flex plate bolts, but the one that he gave me, the inside diameter is smaller, so I'm going to take that back. But I got some paint. We're going to do a little to the motor mounts, that way these have a chance to dry today. Give you a quick update. We got sprayed some royal purple already on the frame. I got most of this. I'm going to leave this in here until after I power wash it. Like I said, it's only 18 degrees today and it's supposed to be 40 tomorrow, so I'm going to power wash everything in here tomorrow. So I'm going to leave that heater box in there today. That way tomorrow when I power wash it, it doesn't soak the inside of the car. So for today, I'm going to set it up like I said, and we're going to paint these. We're going to use the old Rust-Oleum gloss black paint for the engine bay. I got 2 cans. I'm going to paint the frame, core support, upper core support, firewall, all the gloss black. We got new, like I said, new bolts for the flex plate, for the tranny, and we're gonna paint the motor mounts up, get everything hooked up, the flex plate and all that, so it'll be ready after power washing tomorrow. We'll be able to get the get everything installed. So I'm gonna make this video a short one, and we'll probably we got to go pick the wife up from work here in probably a half hour or so, so we're going to make this video short. We're going to get this power washed tomorrow. We went and got the old power washer out of the shed at Tony's. So the old boy got his Grand DT and his tack. He's happier than 2 pigs in shit right now. But yeah, we're not going to use none of the old bracketry here. Nothing like that. Let's walk over here and see it. Holy shit, he's got the K-frame on it and all too. See that? Trans already back in it. Damn, Al, you're pretty fast.
I ain't got time to fuck around.
See that, boys? That's a hard worker right there. Alright, so we're going to get painting this, so we'll catch you guys here in a minute. Alright guys, we got all the motor mounts painted up, drying. So we're gonna wrap it up here today. Like I said, we got to go pick the wife up from work. We're gonna get everything else power washed tomorrow and sat in there. So there will be a part 2 of the video. I'm gonna even paint up this radiator. So first day complete, not too bad. We got the engine pulled, some of the new engine prep, found all the bolts we needed to get it in, drive shafts painted, cross members painted. So yeah, we're in pretty good condition tomorrow. Like I said earlier, it's going to be 40 degrees, so we're going to push her out the door, power wash it, bring it back in, blow it off, paint it, and while that's drying, we're going to get the trans hooked up, converter filled up, tranny mounted or mated to the motor, and she'll be in. But for then, we'll have Al say goodbye. Say goodbye to all your fans, Al.
See you later.
He's kicking ass on the Impala as usual. Hell of a good trans mechanic here, guys. But yeah, we're gonna make this video short, so as usual, guys, I appreciate everybody for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you tomorrow on part 2. All right, guys, take care. Bye-bye.